So what's this that you got?
Fabric.
You got fabric. We have the shells all drawn out for Armine to cut, making our turkey super glittery. We have the shells all done.
Like a sparkling turkey. This is so tiring.
Yeah, it's a lot of water that we.
Don't color the glitter. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do peacocks.
This is not a peacock, silly.
It looks like a peacock.
It looks, but it's a
turkey.
Yeah. Turkey for what?
Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving. So what are we gonna do to our turkey?
Decorate it.
We're gonna disguise our turkey.
Yeah.
What disguise our turkey's gonna put on? What's your
mermaid?
What do you know? What specific mermaid?
Ariel.
Ariel from the Little Mermaid. So what's this that you got?
Fabric.
You got fabric. Does it smell good? No, I don't think so. What else do we have?
I have purple hair.
You do. What else do we have?
Glitter.
Glitter. What color glitters do we have?
Gold.
Nice.
Green. Blue. Silver. I have scissors and pumpkin glue.
Yes.
We have construction paper.
That's right.
Markers.
Markers. Awesome. Are you ready to get started? You are going to color the feathers to make it a tail.
Yeah.
So what color is going to be your tail?
Green.
Green. Perfect. And I'm going to start on the hair.
Okay. Yeah, remember it's red?
Yes. There it is.
But I keep hurting. I don't know why.
Doing great. Coloring the tail to be green.
Yeah, because her tail is always green.
Her tail is always green. And then I have the hair.
That looks so good. Yeah. Oh, I almost colored that yellow.
Oh, no.
Oh.
That's okay. We could cover it.
Yeah, we can color over it.
Good job. It looks awesome.
Orange.
Orange is next. Armine's almost done coloring her turkey.
It didn't go under.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Good job.
Why?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I think these are dry erase markers. Yeah.
We have the shells all drawn out for Armine to cut. And the hair as well.
Done.
Great job.
I want to add a little sparkling to her.
Well, we have to do the hair first, so the glitter doesn't get on the hair. So do you want to cut out the hair first?
Yeah.
And then we'll do the glitter?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. No, I don't want to cut those.
You don't want to?
I don't.
That's okay.
This is really hard fabric. So when I cut this, it's like so hard. The scissors don't even cut.
Yeah, because fabric is a little bit trickier to cut with.
Only paper can.
Yeah, mostly paper is better.
Wow! That's awesome!
Yay!
Oh my god.
Good job!
Beautiful job.
Will you cut out the extra stuff? I'll cut these out.
Yeah, I'll finish this one,
I
okay?
want to do this
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because these is just 1 minute. Look!
Awesome
I
job.
need to do the extra side.
You know what I just realized?
Armine's fixing up the hair.
So there's no more black lines.
Good job. And here's our progress on our glittery turkey.
Can we glue it onto the hair?
Yeah, you ready to glue it?
Yeah, so it's like, oh no.
That's okay. Here, let me
I'm
add
gonna do
glue.
it like
Let me
that.
add glue to it.
I'm gonna get it ready. Can I smell it?
Why do you want to smell the glue?
Because I want to.
Okay. Go ahead and smell it.
Where? Ew!
It doesn't smell good.
No. That does not smell that good.
Now we're gonna add some glue to this head so it
Oh,
stays on.
And I'm gonna put. So I'm gonna spread that out.
Okay.
So I'm doing one by one.
Okay. Well, why don't you start with that first and then spread it around?
So spread this around.
Yes.
I'll mix it together. Oh! That's like a beach vibe.
It does. It looks like a beach vibe.
Look at her hair. Because you can still see the red part, right?
Yeah, you can. Making our turkey super glittery.
Oh,
We have the shells
I
all
did like a
done.
sparkling turkey. That is so pretty.
It is. Now we're gonna glue the shells on. Armine is back from washing her hands, and we're adding some more glitter, and we're getting ready to put our shells on. You're gonna add glittery legs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna do the other leg on the American color.
Why American colors for the mermaid?
Because I like American.
Okay, you like red and blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Adding glitter on the shell.
You do the rest, that's too hard for me.
That was too much.
I'm doing that for the hair.
Okay.
I hear you breathing. A lot of ocean.
A lot of ocean waves for your mermaid to swim in.
Yeah, because mermaids actually live in the deep end.
They do. So Armine did the waves for the ocean. And you want to show your turkey?
And I want to color it in first.
You want to color in more?
So like there's
Then we have Armine's super glittery turkey. Color it, and we're gonna put it in the water.
like there's water inside of the waves.
Yes, good job.
Nadia, will you color that part?
You can do it. I'm gonna cut this turkey out, okay?
Don't cut the hair.
I won't cut the hair.
Because you already cut that.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Don't cut the glitter.
I won't cut the
'Cause
glitter.
We'll get the scissors dirty because those are, I just got those.
You just got those scissors.
Yeah, I have like 3 scissors.
Whoa.
One at school, one at home, one home.
Whoa. That's a lot of scissors.
Did you know I have shiny scissors?
Scissors? Whoa.
I said shiny.
Shiny.
I said shiny scissors. First time I'm gonna color on my left hand.
You're gonna color with your left hand? Whoa.
This is probably tricky for me because I can't control it.
Yeah, but you can practice.
1 hour later.
I made too much waves. So can we cut this out like the plain side?
No, we're gonna keep it like that. We're gonna glue the turkey on.
Oh, it turned green.
Green?
I didn't want it to turn green. Well, I guess,
Blue will make green.
yeah. I guess that might have to work.
Yeah. Do you want me to spread this glitter out, the green glitter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't do it that well.
You did a good job. Up when they lay out under the sun, under the sea. Wish I could be part of your world.
That's my palm tree. This is so tiring.
Yeah, it's a lot of water that you're doing.
Can I actually paint this?
Nope.
I'm still making my palm trees.
Okay.
And after that, I'm gonna make some people.
Okay.
That's a better palm tree. My mom. Oh, I forgot the eyes.
Oh no! How can they see that?
Well, that's okay.
That's okay.
My mom and me are at the beach. My mom and me.
Beautiful. You ready to glue the turkey on?
No, I want to color the thing blue, all of it. Done.
Beautiful.
Look,
Now we gotta add a lot of glue.
I made a real.
You want to show the camera? Beautiful.
So the rest down below, there's can be water there.
Yeah.
You can do the rest that I colored while I color this one.
I was gonna add some to the turkey tail.
Oh, the turkey tail. I'm gonna add my blue.
Okay. Red like your dress. And I'm adding green to the tail.
Pop, 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 casala, polly. Gully, gully, gully. Gully, gully, gully. Oh, pop, 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 casala, polly. Gully, gully, gully. Do you know that song?
Yeah, gonna be golden.
Lolia knows that song too. Will you help me with the gems with these?
Yeah, in just a second. Let me finish the tail. We added gems to our tail and the turkey. Cut it all out. Armine is finishing up her water and added beautiful gems and hearts to it. Are you ready to add the turkey in the water? Let's do it. You're all complete with Ariel, the turkey mermaid. Made by Armine.
Good job.
Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.